What's up, guys? We back with another one. Today it's gonna be about the Can-Am. We are working on the Can-Am today. I just got off work. It's Friday. I'm gonna go and install these things before they close at the homie Federico's tire shop, La Camilla. I always go, you know, that's my go-to tire shop for tires. He always takes care of me. He's done pretty much all my rides. He did the 26s on my Sierra. So what we got today is we're gonna be going with the wheel and tire package for the Can-Am. Stay tuned for what I got for the Can-Am. I'm gonna get a lot more video. I gotta load it up. It is a little late, about 4:45. I do want to get there before it gets even darker so I can get some footage of it. But let's go. Let's load it up. All right, guys, we're here at La Camilla with the homie Federico. It's time to put the wheels on. There she is, guys. 2021 Can-Am RS on 20x7, 33s by 10 by 20s. Badass. Shouts out to La Camilla, el compa Federico. She came out badass. Alright, guys, good morning. It's the next day after we put the rims on. It got late on us at the tire shop, but I do want to go over some of the things I've done to it already since I've got it. Since the last video that I uploaded to install, mostly it was more parts on the inside, bags. As you can see, it was mostly the shocks, the inside bags, storage units, stuff like that. But I did upgrade it a lot. Like you see, did go with the 33 by 10 by 20 spokes, 7, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, kind of like an 8-spoke HDs alloys. I did add the, I don't know if I remember if I added this, the storage, Can-Am storage instead of the cooler. I did add that. I did put a chase light with reverse lights. Light, so it turns on red and blue. What else did I do? I did go with the shock therapy. See if it focuses. Maybe not. Shock therapy sway bar links. These are more meant for body roll, and you can go ahead and swap these out too. They do come in a polished aluminum, kind of like this deal, so it kind of look chrome. So I did go with that, just so it can match the wheels. What else? Like I said, reverse lights and everything is functional. Reverse lights. I did go with a new radio deck. I had another one that was I did go with this one. It's a 10.1. I did have one that went up vertical, which I didn't like and I was having issues with, but I like this one. This one's a lot better and it sits low profile. I did add Pro Armor 4-link or a 4-point harness, and I did order these. These did look like they were color matched to the machine when I got them, but when I did get them, they were a little blue, so that's all right. They don't really bug me. So that's that. I don't know if I'm gonna end up adding those to the back, just because these are a pain in the ass to adjust for a person. They're not retractable, which I should have went retractable, but they're a lot more expensive. But for my needs, it fits me just fine. I did go with the AUX beam, kind of like a Smart Pro. I believe if I'm saying that right. You put all the power, whatever you want, whips, grill,
rock lights, rear lights. That's when I did have the radio to this. My rears do work on the back. I still need to get whips and rock lights so I can hook them up to these. This is cool because all you do is connect everything to a fuse box that it comes with. You can see it's tying up there, but I don't really want to take that out. You just plug power and ground to it, and then this controls it all. So this is pretty bad. And then I did go with the LED grill. LED grill and the lights. I did color match it, and I did flip the shocks, which does nothing but view just for show. Shows the fox there. And I did not cut mine because I've been running it hard and it really doesn't mess with it. So we'll see with these tires and rims if it starts to add some paint or scratches here, then I'll end up trimming it. What else? The windshield. I don't remember if I added a windshield on the last video, but I did get this windshield. It's a DOT approved windshield. I like it because it comes up and you have this visible. So this is what the inside looks like. So if you're crawling, you can kind of see up. And then not but not least, the best, I did go with the audio roof. 2 6x9s, DS18s, 4 6.5 DS18s, and 2 10 DS18s. I did go with DS18 and everything, but the amps I did go with the kicker and the Hyphonics. That's it, guys. And this thing sounds badass. I don't want to turn it on just because it's early in the morning, and plus I don't have any music that's not copyrighted, so I'll get copyrighted. But that's it. Here's another sneak peek of what's been going on with the Can-Am. Besides the wheels, this is the latest new thing to the Can-Am, and then we are going to be wrapping it. Also, I still don't know. I'm probably going to go with the logo for my business, Rob's Customs, but we'll see. I know a lot of people are wrapping them different styles, but mostly for me it's more for advertising, just how I have my lifted truck in the back with the YouTube on the side. I'll probably add some YouTube to this too. Well, that's it, guys. As of right now, I did add quite a few parts. I did add the blow-off valve inside, so you can actually hear the turbo when it lets out the air. And for the back, I still need to wrap this in that plastic loom, clean it up nice so I don't have just wires, random wires hanging. And oh, another part. Let's see if there it goes. I did go with the pedal commander, which is badass, mostly for racing. I would say this is used for, because if you put it on track or track or race, it is really touchy, especially if you turn it up to 4 plus 4 or you turn it down -4. Well, this thing is badass, but I would recommend this more for racing, because what it does is it eliminates any lag on the pedal when you hit it from factory. And with this, there's no lag at all. It straight you can straight punch it and there's no lag to it, so I really like that. That's it, guys, for now. I did add this little thing here for my phone, so I have my phone here while I'm driving, which is nice. And other than that, that's it. We will be adding some more stuff, but hopefully on all the other stuff I can get more of a video of installing it. Like I said, a lot of this stuff I installed while I was down for COVID, and I just wasn't feeling recording, so that's it, guys. Alright, stay tuned for a lot more.